Welcome back, guys. Good to follow the channel. Today, I would like to talk about Linea targets updates with my custom set after listing. Let's dive in. All right, guys. So, we use the initiation accumulation pump model. Targets almost always landed back to the zone of interest. But guys, there's no one model in the world which give you the 100% guarantee. So this happened or this happened, you just work with the proper money management and the risk management. So anyway, just based on experience, just based on the same listings since zone 22, zone 23, 24, 25, you can open the charts of brand new tokens. And so rarely the tokens after listing go like this one. So rarely. That's why, guys, a zone of interest for Linea after the listing on BitGet. I use the BitGet because it's lowest listing price, 0.202 on a Binance. On other exchanges, it's around 0.205. So it's kind of big differences. And because here, this is a listing on a Binance, it's could be like invalidation of idea, but on a BitGet, it's going to be only the best zone to buy. So here's the first zone. Let's mark firstly the zone of fixation. This is a fixation profit. Highly recommend you go and check the free educational video how to work with this model. So this is a zone of interest. First one. This zone mean if the price will drop to this zone, you can start use DCA. So dollar cost average. So this is one. No makes sense to start use DCA here, for example, or here or here. So just in case, guys, also, I share just my own thoughts about this token. We still get like a drop. Yes, a drop is alive. So people will get their tokens and we can't know what they will do with that allocations. We can't. So the unlocks of the a drops, it's not always about a dump. No. Maybe that guys will hold it, who receive the big A drops, maybe the team receive also, we can't know. I'm more than sure some venture funds receive, the market makers with the multi-hacking, definitely. And we can't know what they will decide, to dump it now or dump it later or distribute it step by step at higher prices. We can't know. So we have to analyze in the complex, but at least we build a plan. So the plan is to wait. In the next side, I know we still got like 16 days more in September. So here with that one, date and range projection. Here is. So imagine till here, a lot of stuff can happen. This one, guys, we can dump I don't know, just approximately 64%. And yes, it's gonna be pretty tough because you invest, for example, 10K, and after that you just waking up with 350. That's the point. So invest only in zone of interest, guys. If you feel comfortable to invest in Linea now, it's around 3 cents. It's up to you. I just share my thoughts. Nobody will tell you the future, guys. So no one channel in the world, no one Instagram, no one Twitter account or YouTube. Nobody know the future. So that's a fact. No matter how experienced trader you are. So here, 15 billion supply. It means to hit $1, this already unlock it. So to hit $1, the Linea have to reach like almost 16 billion market capitalization. Is it possible? Guys, everything possible in crypto, but let's work with realistic gains. Here, for example, we talk about 15 billion market capitalization, just in theory. So approximately, let's say like here. So it's going to be like 32K, 32X, 34X. Nice one. Possible. But more realistically, in average, the altcoins perform during the cycles like 3, 5, 10, 10X. I mean 30, 50, and 100x. So if we drop to zone of interest, I guess 50 cents, it will be the 7 billion market capitalization, around 7 billion. It will be the 4,300% gains. Nice one. Nice one. So 42x. That's why, guys, better await the lower targets. And if some token will not drop to that targets, you just skip it. You just skip it. It's not an option to buy every single token all the time. We don't have unlimited budget, guys. You can open the charts, compare the previous listings on a Binance, on a BitGet, how it's playing out. So work with realistic data all the time. I recommend you. Invest in Shadow, guys. You can track it every single month. We will see the unlocks. Of course, it's not a big one. It's like, wow, it's a big one. It's 1 billion tokens. So if now it's 15 billion, so in the next 5 months, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so basically around the February, right? We will see, first of all, yes, this one, October, November, December, January, February, we will see the 20 billion market, 20 billion supply. So it will be much, much harder to reach the $1 price because we need to pump 20 billion market cap. And guys, the billion and the 1 billion and the 1 million, it's a huge differences. So because the people all the time, only the crypto bros talk about a billion, it's like, wow, it's nothing. How? We can easily hit the 1 billion market capitalization. Guys, 1 billion. So just Google it. How many millions in 1 billion? So just in case. Take a look with my customer set what's going on. Guys, after listing, we usually in a totally free zone, especially if the token get an A drop. This is A free, 12 hours in frame, 4 hours in frame. Same story. So the market mode, definitely A free. Trade on indicator. Here was a signal to buy. If you trade intraday, of course, you trade with the stop losses. So here, for example, you can trade like 7%, 14% was the second leverage trade, and 80% profit. Nice one, nice one. Here, recommendation close position. Doesn't mean we have to drop like crazy now. Of course not. We can trade long-term period here, consolidation. But for me, I build a logical chain, so now it's not a time to buy. Time to buy will be here. If we not drop to this area, I'm not touching the tokens. This is a zone of distribution on ADZ on forward time frame. Of course, now it's not enough data for many indicators on forward time frame, like direction, no data. 1 hour time frame, we over the middle line, so this is not a bullish. Also, here how you could accumulate step by step, accumulate a position, add a margin, take profit, sell, 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 sell. Now no signal to buy again. So this is how you can trade intraday. Take a look with money power, 4 hours in frame. Money in, signals to buy, money out, the RSI bearish, the warranty signals to sell. So try to connect the dots and try to understand, is it a bullish now or bearish? 4 hours in frame, money outflow. So the whales fix a profit after a drop. Got it. Take a look, the last indicator is take profit. 4 hours in frame, no data, 1 hour in frame. Here we almost touched take profit line. The buy line now for Linea, it's 1.1064 for the amount value. It's in the zone of interest. For zone of interest, 1.25. So I will wait that zones. I will add alert and just wait that targets. Yes, 30 minutes in frame. The buy line is 1.71. Is it possible? So we will see something like this one. Yes, of course. And go higher like Celestia. Yes, of course, it's possible, guys. Everything possible. But you have to build a plan. I repeat again, no one in Twitter and YouTube and Instagram, no one will tell you the future. It's all about you. You build a own plan, what to do with your own money, to buy now or not. You feel comfortable to buy Linea now or not? I'm not. That's why, guys, I skip this token for now. Maybe I will add alerts and track this token in zone of interest. I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about Linea, targets, updates. And if you'd like to trade as my customer, because I will show it in this video, use right medium. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.